In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix media could not be loaded in Google Chrome. If videos or audio won't play in Chrome, and you see that message, it usually comes down to cached site data, blocked scripts, a misbehaving extension, hardware acceleration conflicts, or outdated settings. We'll walk through a clean, methodical fix inside Chrome's settings. Start in Chrome and open the menu by clicking the three dots in the top right corner, then open Settings. On the left, go to Privacy and Security. Here, open Clear Browsing Data. This removes outdated site files that can break media players. Click Delete Data to clear cached images and files along with site cookies. Note that this may sign you out of websites, but it's an important reset for broken playback. Next, still in Settings, go to Site Settings under Privacy and Security. Open JavaScript and make sure sites can use JavaScript is turned on. Most modern media players rely on JavaScript, so if it's blocked, media often fails to load. Now let's check extensions. Open the menu again and select extensions. On the extensions page, toggle off all extensions to temporarily disable them. Some content blockers, privacy tools, or download helpers can interfere with embedded players. We'll keep them off while testing, and you can bring them back later as needed. Return to Settings and open the System section. Turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Graphics acceleration can improve performance, but it can also cause video decoding conflicts on certain devices or drivers. We'll apply this change in a moment when we relaunch. For a deeper cleanup, go to Reset Settings in the sidebar. Choose Restore Settings to their original defaults, then confirm by clicking Reset Settings. This restores Chrome's default configuration, disables any lingering extension behaviors, and resets things like startup pages and search settings. Your bookmarks and saved passwords aren't deleted, but your custom settings return to default, which helps clear hidden conflicts. To finish, go to About Chrome. This page automatically checks for updates. If an update is available, it will download in the background. When you're ready, click Relaunch. Relaunching applies updates and also activates changes like the hardware acceleration toggle. After Chrome restarts, revisit the page with the media that wasn't loading and try again. If it works now, you've successfully cleared the roadblocks that typically cause this error. If you previously disabled extensions, you can re-enable only the ones you need, keeping an eye out for any that reintroduce the issue. That's it, simple, thorough, and effective.